Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thanks for watching my videos. Sorry about my voice. Still got the head cold or whatever. But we're just got off work out here in the garage with my Bardo Skeet Voltage. I want to give credit to Cletus McFarland / Garrett Mitchell for that term, Bardo Skeet. So it's good shit. But yeah, been a long day at work. Sorry. Got this awesome shirt thanks to a coworker. He went out to Cordova, Illinois for the World Series drag races over there and got signatures of a couple of the famous drivers out there. So I'm not very up to par on that part of racing, you know, like top fuel dragsters and stuff. So I'm not really sure, since I can't really read the signatures, I'm not really sure who they are. I can't remember, but I just have to ask him. He did tell me, I forgot, but it's pretty cool. There's something on the back. I'm not sure if you guys can read it. Maybe you guys can see that. But yeah, so he got that for me because I actually took his shift that Saturday. So as an form of appreciation, he got me this shirt. So that's awesome. But I got the Grand Prix fixed. Put the radiator in it, and I'll show you guys that here quick. All right, got my sweet Harbor Freight LED light. But yeah, as you can tell, it's all put back together. New radiators in. That is a 1-inch thick radiator. My stock one was 5/8 inches. So this is quite a bit bigger. I mean, there's still plenty of fan clearance, as you can tell. But yeah, so tested it out, no leaks, nothing. Everything is ready to go. Brand new radiator. Only thing I have a problem with is this freaking bracket. I could not get it off. I sprayed it with WD-40, PB Blaster. All this bolt does is spin and spin and spin. I try to tighten it, it doesn't do anything. It just keeps spinning no matter what I do. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. I might just cut it off, get custom brackets made. This one came out fine. I'm not really sure why the other one is being such a pain in the ass. But I mean, for the most part, you know, I'm pulling on it. If I pull on this side, it moves a little bit, but not much. That fluid, by the way, that's not a leak. That was just me from spilling earlier. But yeah. Anyway. So that's all good to go. Thumbs up there. I really needed to get it fixed, so I bought one from Advance Auto. So yeah, it runs good. Still got it on the drag setup. Drag tires. I'm gonna air them out to about 22 to 20 psi pretty soon here this weekend, because I'm gonna be racing my friend in his 2007 Charger RT. It's got the Hemi. It's got headers and it's tuned. Cold air intake, I think. I know it has headers and it's tuned for sure. And he's putting the V6 rear end in it because it's got higher gearing. So, I don't know. He says it, you know, it does actually hook off the line and go pretty well. So that's why I have these drag tires. But I think he might get me at the launch, but I'll reel him in pretty quick. We'll see what happens. Oh, another thing I found out. Let's see if I can find it. This bolt, where is it? This bolt right here that I'm touching with my finger, that bolt was loose, causing this entire brace right here to move. So I tightened that up. Everything, you know, I don't think this one's loose. Oh, it is loose. That one is loose. Okay. I tightened that one too. And it looks like I am missing one back there. Why am I missing one? Okay. Yeah. I wonder if that would be a source of my KR in third. Probably not, but it doesn't hurt to get that tightened up. So, also this Sunday is the University Avenue Cruise in Cedar Falls, Iowa. It's pretty big. On the Facebook event, over 1,000 people said they're going or interested. The local, or the Rock 108 station is broadcasting at the event. It's from 5, let's see, there's like a meetup at Spicoli's Rockade from 5 to 7, and the cruise is from 7 to 9. So, if you're around and you want to be a part of that, come say hi, you know, stop down, have a good time. I mean, they're even advertising it on the radio station right now, saying, you know, what's going on. So, should be a good time. Plan to maybe get a couple races in. I don't know. I don't know if they do that at the cruise. But, yeah, so car's good to go pretty much, except for the P1133 code I keep getting, and burning oil. Still burning oil. So I just keep checking it, make sure it doesn't get too low. Well, really low at all. I always make sure it's topped up. So yeah, otherwise, you know, runs good. So thanks guys for watching.